Hi everyone, this is Tony Corcelli, and I am going to show you how to create an encrypted vault on the research cluster, and then how to actually mount it and use it when you need the data, and then get rid of it when you don't. Alright, so I'm already logged into the research cluster, and I'm going to type in pwd so you see where I am. And here I'm going to create a folder called secret folder. There's nothing secret about it, just a folder. Alright, I'm going to change directories to it. And what I'm going to do is highlight it and then enter Command C. That puts it in my buffer so I can use it later. Now I'm going to type in VeraCrypt -T-C. That's to create a vault. Okay, I'm going to just take all the defaults, one. Now the path, it's going to be here, and this is where I want to create my vault. I'm going to call mine encrypted in my folder. Okay, I'm going to hit enter, and now the size, about 10 megs is what I want. And I'm going to just take the defaults here, enter, number 2, okay, the password. Here it's asking for the password of your vault. So I'm going to create a new password. I'm just going to use a real simple Tony password. It says, hey, it's too short. I'm going to say yes, use it anyway. I'm going to type in Tony again. And now it wants a PIM. I'm just going to type in 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm just going to hit enter here. I don't have a key. Okay, so now I'm just going to hit, tap my keyboard just randomly, numbers, letters, space bar. Okay, and now I'm going to hit enter, see how many I typed in. Okay, I need another 200 of them. Okay, enter. Okay, I'm going to keep typing. 64, 47, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so now we're just going to have to wait, and using these random characters we typed in, it's encrypting. I just had a nice sip of some great Haas coffee. And normally I would try to pause the video at this point, and if it takes too long I'll just cut it out, but it should be okay. Could always fast forward through it, I guess. I'll hit enter just for the hell of it. Vault. Finish encrypting. Alright, so now what you see is we created this vault. It's called encrypted, and you see it says read write, and it's owned by root. And that's because in order to mount anything on Linux you have to have sudo privileges. But that's nothing to worry about. No one else can read it. Now what we're going to do is create another folder. This is kind of our working folder, so I'm going to create something called unencrypted. Alright, unenc. So now we have the vault, which is just a file as far as we can see. We can't really use it. But we have this new folder, as you can see, unenc. So now I'm going to type in sudo VeraCrypt, and I want to encrypt, and I want to mount that on unencrypt. Now it's asking for the password for Tony, which is my login name. It's not asking for the password of that file yet. So I'm going to type in my system password. Now it's asking for the password of the encrypted file. So that was an easy one. I'll type in 1, 2, 3, 4. I remember. Hit enter. Protect it now. Alright, so now something really magical happens. So check this out. We create that folder called unencrypted. I'm going to go in there. touch T, you see it's there, VI Tony1, hello, can you see this file? Okay, I want to save it. So you see we have an empty file called T and another file called Tony1. All right, I've done all my super secret work. Now it's time to go home. So I'm going to type in sudo VeraCrypt, and I'm going to dismount the encrypted folder. Now you remember that I put 2 files in there, right? Where are the 2 files? They're gone. So where the files actually are, they're inside this one now. It's pretty cool. Now wouldn't it be great if we could remount it using the same command and the files show up again? Well, let's try it. So if you remember, we're going to type in sudo VeraCrypt, mount the encrypted file or vault onto that folder, enter password. Now we don't have to type in the sudo password again because we did it recently, so it remembers that we have permission. But if I were to log off and come back, it would ask me for my account password again. Okay, enter 1, 2, 3, 4. None. Okay, let's see. This works. I hope you'll be amazed because I know I am. I tried it before. Let me show you CD unencrypted. There they are. Pretty cool, eh? All right, anyway, you could schedule time with me and I will personally show you how to use all this if you're confused. But this was kind of a video for me to remember how to do it in the future because I do so many things I usually forget after about a year, and I know I'll be able to go back to this video. Anyway, thanks for watching.